Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Todd with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, I heard a saying a couple days ago that a lot of people might not understand it, but I'll break it down. You heard the term of you need money to make money, and you heard the phrase scary money to make any money. So what's the difference between the two? What does it mean? All means, and how does it apply to today's society? So the first phrase, it takes money to make money, it's a true statement. Every business that you want to start, any endeavor you want to get into, costs some money. You want to gain the stocks and bonds, you gotta buy stocks. And you want to start a YouTube channel, which is free to start, but you need a device to record the videos. You need a cell phone, and you need cell phone. You don't need cell phone servers though, but this is a cell phone to capture the video. So you need to buy a phone. You need to get a phone, which everybody has a cell phone. I mean, now these plans nowadays, they give you a free phone for getting on the plan. So you need some kind of money. It does take money to make money. I mean, what only business that take money to make money is cutting someone's lawn and using their lawnmower, So, but also, if people think about it, it takes money to make money. Money can be translated as time as well. So you need time to make money. So, you need time to make money. If you cut someone's grass with their lawnmower, it might take you 35, 45 an hour to cut it, but it took you that long to make the money. So money could be also substituted for time. So, in order to make money, you do need some money to make money. I mean, there are businesses out there you don't need to make no money, but it's very hard. Even do a service business, you need, tools or something to do a service with. Even cutting grass, you need a lawnmower. If you power wash house, you need a power washer in a truck. If you paint, you can buy paint. You gotta buy clothes. You gotta buy tools to paint with. You gotta buy tape. So, I mean, anything you do, it's gonna cost money, start something. So keep that in mind. It costs to be low, the cost to be high. That's what that phrase means. It takes money to make money. So you gotta invest some money. You gotta have time and money. So keep that in mind when you wanna start something, you wanna be cheap with it. Just note that it takes money to make money. And the phrase, and then in that phrase also, you don't have no money. See, when people say it takes money to make money, you don't have money. Because you want to do something to make you money, but you don't have the money to invest into it. So it takes money to make money. So people don't have the money when they have to invest it. Now on the flip side of that, scared money doesn't make no money. Scared money just means you have the money. You have it, but you're afraid or scared to put it into something because you're afraid you're going to lose it. I'll give you a prime example. So you want to bet on basketball, football, whatever. I know why bowl will bet $10 per game. Whoever has the highest score, gets that money. So like four of us put $5 in the pot. That's $20. And and whoever bowls the highest number wins. So when we go to a bigger money, we go to $10, $20 a game. So that's what, that's $60 in a pot. Some people all back off. They have the money, but they're scared they're gonna lose the money. They're scared the chance that I might lose this money. I might lose this match. So I don't want to bet anything. And know what though? I realize 7 out of 10 times, 70%, the people who don't bet, if they're in a competition altogether, running, racing, bowling, whatever, the people who don't bet usually wins. I noticed that, man. I noticed that when I bowl with my friends, the person who don't bet bowls the best in the game, but they ain't putting no money into it, so they ain't winning anything but a little bit of pride. The guy who won second got the money. So I noticed that because he was afraid that you put the money in, he's going to feel the pressure, and he's going to be afraid to do it. So that's it. So that means scared money. Scared money, you have the money, but you're afraid. You're hesitant to invest that money or put the money on the line to make more money. So you can't be scared with money. If you have money, you can't be scared. You have to do it. You know what I'm saying? You have to do it. You know what I'm saying? So depends on what it is. I want to throw $2,000 or something that you might lose, but losing $50, that's only $50. You made that money back. I did a video a long time ago that you can make money back. You can't make time back though. You know what I'm saying? You go make overtime. You can find $100 in the street. Hell, you hit the damn lottery tonight and win $2, $3, $4 million in 10 minutes. But you can't get time back. Time is something you will never, ever, ever get back. So value time. Value time, and take advantage, and don't be too hesitant with money. It's just money. You'll make it back. Invest some on yourself. Don't be scared to invest. We had the money and you don't have the money, get the money. Sell some things off, cut things out, cut out cable, cut out whatever, lower your internet speed. You got 200 megabytes per second and you paying $120 a month when you could pay half the price for half the speed. You got to do what you got to do. So cut your stuff back. If you got Verizon, go to a prepaid plan. That's what I did. Go to a prepaid plan. You know what I'm saying? Cut back. Start packing your lunch for work. Start cooking meals that'll last you tonight and allow you the next day. Make a big old thing of spaghetti. Spaghetti cost about $10. You buy a pack of hamburger, you buy a pack of noodles, buy some sauce, cheese. You might spend $15, but it won't last you that night, the next day, and day after. So it'll last you 3-4 days to go longer with that one meal. So, if you don't have money, you gotta cut things back. You gotta cut things back. Live a little bit better. Stop going out buying junk food. Stop going out there and going getting fast food. Stop burning your gas, going to different places. Make sure that if you're going to work, when you leave work, if you gotta go to the store then. Don't go to the store in your free time to burn that gas up. You gotta use your mind. So my wife started doing, we got to work Friday, instead of waiting to Saturday to go shopping and waste our time shopping on Saturday, everybody's in there. Sometimes we go on Friday night. When we get on work, we'll go Friday, right after work. We'll knock it out. That we got to worry about it. That way we ain't burning gas, going home. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So you can do all that. So learn to cut corners. If you look at my YouTube channel, I have lots of videos on Kodi and how to jailbreak Fire Sticks and how to cut the cord and APKs and file linked. I show people how to install these apps on your phone. On your Fire Stick to watch TV. So that will help people cut the cable, because cable costs too daggone much. I never seen they're charging $150 a month for only 5 channels. It's ridiculous, man. You work 40 hours a week. You got kids. You might watch 3 or 4 shows, but you know what I'm saying? You paying that a month, but you don't watch 3 or 4 shows. So you wasting money. So, and YouTube and Facebook half the time anyway. And those things are free. So take heed, cut the money back, cut some stuff back, and you'll feel better. My name is Todd for That'sKing.com. Scare money to make any money. True statement. And you need money to make money. It's true. See you next time.